Well, Volkswagen Beetle fans, we got a ChoroQ of a new Beetle from 2006 is what this box says. It's ChoroQ number 63. I think that must say new Beetle there. Alright, so standard packaging. Just a little plastic to keep it from getting scratched, I guess. Couldn't find many pictures of it in pink. I'm guessing it wasn't a standard color pink, but let's see, we got the little fog lights there molded in. Yeah, the little turn signal area, although it's black on this toy. And you'll see it is foreshortened, but not by much, because the Beetle's kind of a cute car as it is. Got two little fog lights in the back, or backup lights, but they're not painted on this thing. Alright, so this pink is not metallic, from what I can tell. It's just a regular pink. And you got this smoked body, you can see the motor there, and they painted everything else. So, yeah, no paint here. This is, I'm guessing, the clear plastic. Would have been nice if it was painted instead. But what is nice is the actual Volkswagen badge is tampo printed on pretty well. And then we got a little door handle here. Some molded windows here, so some dimensionality. This side looks just as good, I guess. There's some red for the taillights, and unfortunately no white there, or silver there. Sticker of what it is. There's a third brake light and a bump for the badge, but no badge printed on the back. Seems to be a fuel filler door right here. Nicely, nice thin lines. Some rain gutters as well up there. And then it's running the standard 5 spokes from ChoroQ. And then this is from 2006. Standard construction of a screw and a tab there. So let me come back with some new wheels on this guy. I ended up putting up some standard gold chrome Hot Wheels Real Riders wheels on there. Reason being is I have this convertible and I have some green like JDM Watanabe wheels. I like these wheels the best on the Beetle, but I didn't want to have the same ones. So I have this racing Beetle as well by ChoroQ, and that's got some 3D printed wheels on there. So that's it for my Beetles. Well, I do have this Hot Wheels though. It's that dune buggy tuned thing, and I've modified it quite a bit. And actually, well, let me just pull out that other Hot Wheels, the Rabbit or the Golf. That one's cool. And then I have a Golf here by ChoroQ. It's one of the old ones, and that's got some real riders on it also. And then I have a variant. This is a ChoroQ Zero. So I got a few Volkswagens now in deformed shape. Which do you guys like the most? I think I still like this one the most. This Ryu Asada design is pretty cool. Maybe the dune buggy after that. Alright, but for today, get this guy going. And it's an okay one. This standard release. Yeah, maybe some paint details I can add later on, make it look a little bit nicer. But that's good enough for today's video, and hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.